Sir, now it's very clear about SEP attribute, right? Sir, now I have to go for end attribute. Print statement with the end attribute, sir. Sir, what is the purpose of this end attribute? Very, very simple. Take special care about this one. Print of hello, hello, I'm taking hello. Next, print of Durga, Durga, hello Durga. Print of soft, like this I'm taking. Can you please tell what is the answer we are going to get? What is the output we will get if I run this code? How many print statements are there? First one, second one, third one. So what is the output? First hello will be printed. Sir, after first print statement, automatically new line character will be added. Automatically new line character will be added. That's why next hello, next Durga is going to come. Automatically end new line character added. That's why here soft we are going to get. So hello Durga soft, in 3 lines we will get the output, sir. Correct or not? Okay. So after print statement, after hello, automatically new line character added. That's why the next output we are going to get Durga, and then next soft in the next line. Like let me execute this code. Have a look once, sir. Sir, I'm taking print of hello, hello. I'm taking print of Durga, Durga, and the print of soft I'm taking, sir. Okay, soft, like this. What is the answer we will get here is hello Durga soft, like this, right? Now my question is, sir, I don't want into 3 lines. I want into a single line. I want this total into a single line, sir. What I have to take is, observe carefully. After printing hello, don't insert new line character. Don't insert new line character. Can you please insert nothing? Nothing. If we are not taking anything, then the remaining thing will be continued in the same line. What it means is, for such type of requirement, we should go for end attribute. Sir, after printing this one, what is the end character you require? You have to specify by using end. What is the default value for end attribute is \n. Remember this one, new line character is the default value. If you don't want a new line character, if you want any other character, better to go for what? End attribute, sir. Sir, what is the way? Very, very simple. Here I am taking print of hello. Print of hello, hello I'm taking. After printing hello, don't insert new line character, just end is equal to just a quote open and close, means nothing, no new line character. So next output immediately followed as it is without going to the next line. Now print of, sir, here I am taking Durga. Again after printing Durga, don't take new line character. Don't take new line character. Now print of soft I am taking end is equal to, of course here that's all, here no end is required. So now take a bit very special care. Print hello, first hello will be printed, and then end is equal to empty. End is equal to empty means it is not going for the next line. Okay, continue, immediately continue. Now Durga, hello Durga, and then end is equal to empty. Empty means nothing, will be continued normally. Sir, soft. Have you observed? Hello Durga soft will print in the same line. Remember this one, sir. It is not going to take any new line character. The default value for end is new line. Okay, observe carefully. Here I am taking hello. If I am just without end, sir, what is the output we are going to get? 3 lines. We are getting 3 lines. Now I am taking end is equal to just empty, comma, end is equal to just empty, like this I am taking, sir. Now have a look once. Hello Durga soft, hello Durga soft, like a single line we are going to get. Okay, that's all. Suppose you can specify anything, sir, no problem at all. Need not be empty, anything you can take. Suppose I am taking, observe very carefully, sir. Print of hello, I am taking hello. Next, after printing hello, which character you want to include? End is equal to, sir, double colon, like this I am taking. Okay, double colon. Now, sir, print of soft I am taking, end is equal to star I want to take. Now observe star. Print of just WARE. Okay, like this I am taking, sir. Now observe the output. Now observe a bit output, sir. Here, 1 minute. Instead of this, let me take our original. Hello Durga, I am taking, end is equal to star I am taking. Next, print of Durga soft, like this I am taking. Can you please confirm what is the output we are going to get now? Respond. What is the answer we are going to get? So first hello will be printed. After printing hello, what is the end value? End is colon. And then, sir, Durga will be printed. And then, sir, here, sir, what symbol I am taking? Star. Okay, like so now soft I am taking, sir. Star, soft. Any symbols you can take, need not be star, or otherwise just dollar I am taking, sir. Then automatically Durga dollar. After that soft it's going to come. Are you in the position to understand? So if you are not specify end attribute, what is the default values are? The default value is always new line character. But instead of new line, boss, can you please take double colon, double colon, or can you please take dollar symbol, like whatever symbol you want, happily you can take. Perfectly it's going to work, sir. Have a look once here. Just I'm trying to take hello, end is colon. Next, here end is dollar, like this I'm taking, sir. Sir, what is the answer we are going to get? First hello will be printed. Hello will be printed, and then end attribute is colon, and then Durga will be printed, and the end, yes, dollar, and then soft will be printed. This is the output what we are going to get, sir. Okay, this is the answer we are going to get. Let me execute this code. Have you observed? Hello, double colon, Durga, dollar, soft we are trying to get. Yes, perfectly it is going to work. Clear for all of you? So how to use end attribute, how to use SCP attribute, sir. SCP attribute, single print statement, sir, multiple arguments are there, then SCP attribute meaningful. End attribute, multiple print statements are there, then end attribute we have to go for. Clear? Don't get confused. Where we have to use SCP attribute, where we have to use end attribute. Can I use both together or not? I will go for one more example so that you will get much clarity. Sir, now let me go for one more example where we are going to use both the end attribute and the SCP attribute both together, right? Observe carefully. Here I am taking print 10, 20, 30. SCP attribute is sir, colon I am taking, SCP attribute colon, end attribute I am taking, sir, star I am taking. Observe carefully. Next, print of 40, 50, 60, comma, SCP is equal to colon, like I am taking. SCP is equal to colon. Next, print of 70, 80, SCP is equal to, okay, star I'm taking, end is equal to, sir, dollar I'm taking. Now print of 90, 100 I'm taking. Wow. Can you please confirm what is the output you are going to get? If you can guess, then obviously you are very perfect with SCP attribute. You are very perfect with end attribute, sir. Let me, can I trace this one? What answer we are going to get? Sir, here, how many arguments are there? 3 arguments are there. SCP attribute is there. So, 10. Sir, what is the separator? Colon, 20, colon, 30. So, after printing all these things, what is the end attribute? End attribute value, star. End attribute value, star. And then immediately, next thing will be continued. 40, 50, 60. But what is the separator? Again colon. That's why 40, colon 50, colon 60, like. Sir, you are not specifying any end attribute. If you are not specifying any end attribute, default value for end, new line. Now the control will comes to the new line, sir. Now 70, 80, sir, separator is a star, but end attribute is dollar. So separator is star. 70 star 80. So 2 arguments printed with the star separator. But end attribute is dollar. End attribute is the dollar. Next 90, 100. There is no separator, means space. 90 space 100. Okay, end new line, but next nothing is there. That's all. This is the output we are going to get. Are you getting how to use end attribute and SCP attribute together? Is best example to trace. If you can define your own example and trace, then you can get much easily the concept, right? It's a very easy concept only. Clear, right? Let me execute this code. Have a look once. Can you please confirm what is the code we took, sir? Print of 10, 20, 30. SCP is the colon. SCP itself is the colon. Next, end attribute is star. Like this I'm taking, sir. So first one is the clear. Next, the second one, sir, 40, 50, 60. Here 40, 50, 60. Here SCP is equal to just colon. I took just only colon symbol. Next, print of 70, 80, SCP is equal to star. I'm taking. End attribute is equal to dollar. Like this we are taking, sir. End attribute dollar like. Sir, print of 90, 100, like this we are taking. Sir, can you please observe what is the answer? I explained very clearly on the board whether the same answer we are going to get or not. Yes, can you please observe that? 10, 20, 30. Okay, this is the separator, right? Okay, observe very carefully here. So what answer we are getting? So 10, 20, 30. So can you please print these 3 values with this separator? Can you please print these 3 values with the colon separator? Yes, 10, 20, 30 are printed with colon separator. After printing this, at the end, can you please take star. Yes, we are taking star. Next, can you please print 40, 50, 60 with colon separator? 40, 50, 60 with colon separator. Perfect. Here end attribute is not there. So default value for end attribute is the new line. That's why the control came to next line. Now 70, 80 can you please print with this star separator? 70 star 80. Okay, well. Next, end after that, the dollar, end dollar. And then here, no SCP attribute, default value for SCP attribute is the space. That's why 90 space 100 we are going to get. Perfect, sir. If you can trace with the pleasant mind, then you people can understand very easily about this one. Clear for all of you, right? Now you are very perfect with end attribute and SCP attribute where you can use these attributes, right? Okay, well. Sir, now the next example, observe carefully, maybe a chance, sometimes in the interview room, maybe a chance to ask the question. I have 2 lines are there, sir. print of Durga plus a software, Durga plus a software. Okay, which symbol we are using? Plus a symbol. Now print of Durga comma software, Durga comma software. Can you please tell what is the difference between the outputs produced by these two print statements? Can you please confirm? what is the output produced by these two print statements? Yes, friends. Durga plus a software, Durga comma software. Okay, very simple. Durga plus a software means concatenation is going to be happen. This total thing will be converted to single string. Durga software. This is the output we are going to get. No space in the middle and so on. But here, how many arguments are there? 2 arguments are available. That's why first argument will be printed. And then comma means a space. Are you getting? Comma means a default space. So space software will come in the second case. So because 2 arguments, while printing both arguments, so space will become, because the default value for SCP attribute is space. But here this total is only 1 argument because concatenation is going to be happen. So in the second output space will be there, but in the first output no space at all. Observe that. Have a look once. Here I am trying to take print of Durga plus a software. I am taking sir. This is the first one. Now I am taking Durga comma software I am taking. So this total is only 1 argument. Concatenation is going to be happen Durga software, but here 2 arguments are there. These 2 arguments will be printed with a space. Okay, sir, the first one have you observed, right? Durga software, but second one, sir, Durga space software by default will come. Okay, this is what a small, maybe a chance to ask in the interview room. What the difference between this? You should be in a position to answer. Clear for all of it, right? Up to this, sir, multiple print statements we covered. Some more print statements are there. We will discuss in detail.